Plateau State is known as the home of peace and tourism since its birth. Due to the mountainous landscape and appealing weather, Jos, its capital city, is very favorable for road trips, hiking, and mountain climbing. Tourists who love photography will find the city landscape very fascinating.
Hello guys, it's Simon Arome Films here again. Welcome to this video. Today we are exploring the most colorful bridge in Nigeria. So we are going to show you what's in this place and we hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned guys.
This wonderful and colorful structure was launched in 2015. It's also the longest bridge in Plateau State, connecting the Jos South and Jos North. This bridge has a total of 4 vehicular lanes and the length of about 1 kilometer.
Very massive and big and colorful at the same time. Okay, I have never seen any kind of bridge like this in Nigeria before, and this is the place you should visit just to see the color of the bridge. Very amazing and fantastic, guys. Come see this place for yourself. The artworks here just tells the story about Plateau State and the people of Plateau State.
So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon.